on, viewers, and shift our focus to another story from Maharashtra. This one is from Pune. As the investigation in the chilling pre-wedding murder in Pune gathers pace, the probe has now entered another crucial phase. Sia Goel's parents have reached the Pune Rural Police Station, where investigators are expected to record their statements. Now, this development comes even as people who knew both families are beginning to speak publicly about the tragedy, offering fresh insights into Ketan Agarwal, Sia Goel and the families at the center of this case. The investigation into the Ketan Agarwal murder is now moving beyond the alleged conspiracy and into the people who brought the two families together. Investigators are now expected to record the statement of Narendra Mittal, the relative who first introduced Ketan and Sia. And this is very, very significant because in January 2026, marriage talks begin via Mittal. Then in February 2026, Mittal was the one who fixed the family meeting. Then both families here agreed for engagement at Ritz-Carlton in Pune. And now Mittal's statement, the man who introduced both of them and eventually the families, is going to be recorded. Now, this has also been reported that both Sia and Chetan decided to not stay in touch with each other for a few days after the murder. Investigators also suspect the accused systematically erased digital evidence before and after the alleged murder. According to cops, chats were deleted, recycle bins were cleared, and mobile phones have now been sent to forensic lab in an effort to recover the deleted conversations to establish complete communication trail. Outside the investigation, people who knew Ketan are also now beginning to speak out. His close friend remembers him as a cheerful and happy young man and says the tragedy should serve as a reminder that families and children must communicate openly rather than suffer in silence.
केतन अग्रवाल के केस में क्या कहेंगे? जो आपके मार्केट में जो प्रवीण गोयल है, व्यापारी, उनके बेटी ने केतन अग्रवाल जो है उसको मुहर पर से दखल कर लिया है, क्या बताएंगे इस बारे में?
जब ये सुना हमें भी काफ़ी धक्का लगा ये चीज़ का। मैं एक्चुअली पर्सनली केतन अग्रवाल को जानता हूँ, हम दोस्त हैं, हम मिले हुए हैं। मैं ज़्यादा बार तो मुलाकात नहीं हुई है, जितनी बार भी हुई है लड़का काफ़ी अच्छा है, काफ़ी अच्छा था, उसका नेचर काफ़ी सब कुछ बढ़िया था। पर जब हमने ये सुना तो हमें काफ़ी धक्का लगा।
आप अभी जो व्यापार करते मार्केट यार्ड में, वहाँ पर जो प्रवीण गोयल उनका भी शॉप है, उनकी लड़की ने ये सब कुछ किया है, और जो चेतन चौधरी है उनका भी दुकान है, उनके लड़के ने भी ये सब कुछ किया है, उन्होंने मिलकर ये सब कुछ किया है। ये पूरा घटना को कैसा देखते हैं?
इसकी पूरी तरह से जांच होनी चाहिए और जो भी इसमें आरोपी है उनको सजा होनी चाहिए।
Viewers, we also spoke with Rajendra Goel, who is a long-time acquaintance and close relative of Praveen Goel, whose daughter Sia Goel is an accused in the murder case of Ketan Agarwal. He has said that he never has seen the family involved in any disputes or any kind of conflicts. Listen.
मैं तो उनको 30 साल से पहचानता हूँ।
यहाँ आपके सामने उनका शॉप है, कितने साल से है?
अभी एक साल हो गया इनको।
इसके पहले यहाँ
पीछे मेरा शॉप था इनका।
परिवार कैसा है?
परिवार बहुत अच्छा है।
आपकी कभी प्रवीण गोयल जी से बात होती थी?
हाँ, होती थी उनसे बात।
उनकी जो लड़की है सिया गोयल, वो आती थी यहाँ पर?
नहीं, अभी एक बार ओपनिंग पे मैं इधर देखा था, उसके बाद में कभी देखा नहीं।
परिवार की किसके साथ यहाँ पर झगड़ा या बहस होती थी?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
इस घटना के बाद आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
अभी ये घटना के बाद मैं क्या बोलूँ, ये मैं तो अभी परसों सुना तो मेरे भी दिमाग में कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा। और प्रवीण यहाँ था तो उस दिन गया तो मेरे लड़के से बात करके गया, वो क्या मैं ऐसा है, मैं दवाखाने जा रहा है करके।
तभी आपको लगा था कि परिवार में ऐसा इतना बड़ा हादसा होगा?
नहीं,
बहुत साल से आप पहचानते उनके परिवार?
नहीं, बहुत साल से पहचानता हूँ मैं, और अभी इसका रिश्ता हो गया था वहाँ केतन अग्रवाल के साथ, तो इतना खुशी में आया था, बहुत खुशी थे, हम भी बहुत खुश थे,
परिवार भी खुश था,
बहुत खुश था।
Let's go across to my colleague Paras, who's joining us live right now for more on this story. Like we've been discussing, Paras, almost on a daily basis, new revelations are being made in this particular case as the investigation gathers pace. I want to talk to you specifically about Narendra Mittal, whose statement in this case is also going to perhaps give some clues to the investigators. Who is he and what is it that the cops really want to know from him?
As you said, this is Narendra Mittal, a person who was the matchmaker of Sia Goel and Ketan Agrawal. He's a common relative of both the families, and he was the matchmaker in February. He arranged a meeting between both the families, and after that there were engagement which was done in February. So Narendra Mittal's statement is very much important in this entire matter because he was the middleman, he was the matchmaker who did the matchmaking for both the family, and after meeting the families, both have decided to get Sia and Ketan married. So this will be a very important statement, as in his statement he has also said he does not know anything deeper about Sia or Ketan, but as he has said, mentioned in the statement, that both were very happy and there was nothing which that can create this type of risk in their life. But this is a very, very different situation from the investigation side also, because continuously there is new revelation which has been made every day in this entire matter.
Right. Paras, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. And viewers, Times Now has exclusively spoken to the Lonavala Deputy SP, who revealed that the chats were deleted by the accused duo, Sia and Chetan, and the cops are currently investigating that angle as well. Listen in. Okay, we'll try and get you that reaction in just a bit, but this becomes extremely important because now the focus of the investigation is also in finding out what was there in the chats that were deleted by Sia and Chetan immediately before the murder and after the murder, and what exactly happened on the evening just one day before this particular murder allegedly took place, where both Sia as well as Chetan met, in fact, inside a cafe. Were they actually preparing? Because remember, now reports have suggested, and what the details that we've got from investigators so far seem to suggest that it was not the first time that both attempted to murder Ketan Agrawal. In fact, there have been attempts in the past as well that were made, but those failed, and that's the reason why this time both perhaps decided to take Ketan Agrawal to Lohagarh Fort. And initially, they made it seem as if it was an accident and not really a murder. But now, of course, things are getting murkier every single day in this particular case.